So here's an example of a much smaller treatment plant. This one's out and about. It serves a bunch of these houses and apartments and duplexes out and around the tribe. And basically my job is to take care of everything in here. So you have a basin where the water comes in, another basin where it's oxygenated, another basin where it's filtered, a bunch of controls, a bunch of meters, and a whole mess of pumps and blowers and valves and pressure gauges and transducers and filters, and one of them is broken right now. Supposed to be one there. Instead it's all the way over here, halfway torn apart because I'm working on it. I get lots of expensive equipment. That thing is a jetter that costs $6,000. This thing is a sea-snake computer that hooks up to a kind of a hose reel like that, except for at the end there's a camera, and I can shove it down pipes and see what's wrong. I don't really do much work in here because it's so loud, but sort of a tool bench. I get extra large tools. I even have my own office, which is pretty small, but it's warm, it's insulated. I get my fancy rubber boots, a place to hang up my bicycle. Basically my job is to take care of all this stuff and all of this stuff inside of these panels, which can be pretty frustrating because in the case of this little treatment plant, the computer that runs it all has failed to operate, and because it's about 15 years old, nobody's got a replacement. The tribe doesn't want to pay for a new one because this plant's going to be put offline pretty soon, so I have to come and do things like what I'm doing and turn it off manually for a half hour so that the equipment has time to rest. Something that the computer would have done if it was still working.